Microsoft Windows is a 36 years old operating system group, brand, and overall a great product. Its name itself is quite uncreative, however. Microsoft Windows has a quite long history for computers, from a poor, designed Windows version 1.01 for IBM PCs with Intel i286 to flat smartphone-driven Windows 10 version 21H1. Oh boy, do they have an insane and not well-known preliminary names, acronyms, and final names for Windows products. Windows 95 was a revolutionary Windows version. If Windows 95 wouldn't branded so unique, it would be called Windows version 4.00 and 4.03 for later releases. Its acronym is Chicago, Microsoft Plus. Acronym was Frosting, and Windows 95 Internet Browser was acronymed as O'Hare, the largest airport in the city of Chicago. For backward compatibility, Windows 95 version assigned as 3.95. Windows 95 Build 90C was a weird cloning experiment, and for some reason it mentions Windows 94 name. Microsoft codename Chicago indeed planned to be released on 1994, but the development didn't go well, as always. Some people just came up to styling this release as Windows 95 in a manner similar as in Carta 95 and other products. Just a news media thought they are smart enough to call Windows Memphis project as Windows 97. That was a cute prediction of the final name. That's just happened. Back then Memphis projected to be released in 1997, and that's it. On developer release of Windows 98, Microsoft addressed the issue of misusing naming terms towards Memphis. Turns out, Windows 97 naming was a premature guess. Some people found a bitmap of Windows 2000 Personal. It's weird. The first working build of Windows Personal SKU is, I believe, 2257. And yes, initially Windows XP code, named Whistler, was planned to be called Windows 2001. Personal SKU survived beyond the official name reveal for Windows XP and still included on the watermark in Build 2498. But back in Build 2498, Microsoft have already came up with an official name of Personal SKU as Windows XP Home Edition. If it was okay to codiname this version as Whistler Server, then prepare for the initial preliminary name, Windows XP Server. Oddly enough, Microsoft planned to call an NT 5.2 generation of Windows Server family as Windows 2002 Server. It was back when Windows XP was released. As Windows Server development continues, it gains them yet another names, as like Windows Servers, removed Windows XP identity, plain Microsoft Windows, Windows Advanced Server Limited Edition, Windows NET Server, Windows NET Server Family as being told in bootscreen, and when Windows Server 2003 got under release candidate to development, Windows NET Server 2003 branding was used. There is some information that Windows Server 2003 also claimed the Longhorn Server codename, but that codename got reused for Windows Server 2008. Windows Vista Starter SKU is extremely unpopular, especially for a mainstream client operating system. Imagine Windows Vista Starter, but it's a Build 5270 Beta 2 pre-release. I am a very proud reviewer of Windows Starter 2007.